morning children. Today we are going to solve the problems in exercise 2.4, okay, based on linear equation in one variable. Here in this exercise again we are going to solve the problems based on the statements. They will give the question in the form of statements. Using the condition given in the question, we have to form a linear equation and we have to solve and find the required number or whatever asked in the question. Already we have solved this problem, statement problem in exercise 2.2. In that exercise itself, I told that we have to read the question twice and have to form a linear equation. If we form the linear equation, it is easy to solve the problem. Okay? Yes. Here the first question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5/2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Actually, a girl, she is thinking a number and she subtracts 5/2 from it. Okay, and multiply the result. After subtracting 5/2 from the number, she multiplied it by 8. Yes, the result now obtained. After doing the subtraction and multiplication, the result obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What the number she thought? The result is 3 times the same number. They are asking what is the number. So we don't know what is the number. Okay, generally we will take some variable for unknown numbers. So we are taking here, let the number be x. I don't know what it is, just we are taking in general it as x. Now, according to the question, what is given in the question? She is subtracting 5/2 from the number. Okay, so this is the number she is having in her mind. Now we are going to subtract 5/2 from the number. So x minus 5/2. What is the second question given? The result is multiplied by 8. After subtracting 5/2 from x, the result is multiplied by 8. So only we are taking x minus 5/2 into 8. Okay, the result is going to be multiplied with 8. And the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. So which is equal to 3 times the same number. What is the number? X. So 3 times the same number is 3x. So according to the condition given in the question, this is the equation. X minus 5/2. The result is multiplied by 8. So overall the result is equal to 3 times the same number. So 3 times the same number means you have to multiply 3 with the same number. What is the number she thought of? X. So 3x. Now we got an equation. How to solve it? See, we have to find the value of x. Because we want to find the value of x. See, multiply 8 inside the bracket. So 8x minus, we should have to multiply with both the numbers inside the bracket. Okay, so 8x minus 5x of 40 by 2 is equal to 3x. Now, 40 can be simplified by 2. What it is? 1 and 20. So 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. We want to find the value of x. So take all the variables to one side of the equation and the numbers to the other side of the equation. So now take 3x to the next side of the equation. Plus 3x. If it moves this side, it will become minus 3x. So 8x minus 3x is equal to number minus 20 moves that side, is plus 20 is equal to 20. So now it is simple. 8x minus 3x, it is 5x is equal to 20. Yes, because we are going to subtract. Okay, subtract just the coefficients. So 8 minus 3, it is 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 5. So the value of x is equal to 4. So the required number, what is the number? It is 4. So see here, so read the question twice. Okay, we are taking the number as x, unknown number as x. What she thought of in her mind, it is x. According to the question, form the equation. Okay, what is the question given? From the number, from the unknown number, they are subtracting minus 5/2. The result is multiplied by 8. So x minus 5/2 into 8. Okay, subtracting and then we are multiplying by 8, which is equal to 3 times of the same number. So which is equal to 3x. So if you form the equation, the problem is very simple to solve. We know how to solve a linear equation. Already we did in the first and third exercises. If a linear equation is given, how to find the unknown value. Based on the same way, we can get the result. So the next problem, equal to 9. Here I am taking y as a digit in the ones place and x as the digit in the tens place. So the two digits y and x. Okay, y is a digit in ones place and x is a digit in tens place. According to the question, what it is given? The sum of these two digits is equal to 9. So I am taking x plus y is equal to 9. Leave out the tens place. We have taken it as x. Now we have to find what is the value for ones place. So for y, if you want the value of y, is how we can solve? Y is equal to 9 minus x. Y is equal to 9 minus x. Here we are solving the problems based on linear equation one variable. So only I am not mentioning y in the question. Okay, in the solution we are taking y. Just in the, if you are taking the variable x, you have to solve the problems based on the variable x only. So for your understanding why I am doing this, adding the two digits which is equal to 9. Then I want the digit in the ones place, how we can find y is equal to 9 minus x. So we can take in general the digit in ones place as 9 minus x. So only I wrote here 9 minus x. So the digit at 10 place is x, then the digit at 1 place is 9 minus x. So now we are clear how we got 9 minus x, isn't it? So the two digits are here, the digit in the tens place is x and the digit in the ones place is 9 minus x. These are the two digits we are going to use to solve the problem. Now look at the question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. First, what is the original number? See, the original two-digit number is equal to, what is the digit in the tens place? X. So 10 into x plus, what is the digit in the ones place? 9 minus x, because the two-digit number is in the form of 10 into some multiple of digit plus the ones digit. So we are writing 10 into the digit x plus 9 minus x. See, what is the given in the question? If we interchange the digits, means ones digit come to the place of tens, tens goes to the place of ones. Once the digit in the ones place comes to the tens place, the digit in the tens place goes to the ones place. Yes. Now by interchanging the numbers, see 10 into 9 minus x plus ones place is replaced by x. So the resulting new number is 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Now come to the question. What is given the question? If we interchange like that, the resulting new number. What is the resulting new number? 10x, 10 into 9 minus x plus x. This is the resulting new number, which is equal to greater than the original number by 27. What is the original number actually we are having? 10x plus 9 minus x. Greater than the original number by 27. That means we have to add plus 27. See, here the resulting new number is equal to greater than the original number by 27. So the original number we are adding 27. So yes, now we got a linear equation. Yes, here only one variable x is there, but many variable x terms are there. We have to group it and we have to find the value of x. So how to do this? First we are going to multiply 10 inside the bracket. So 10 into 90 is 90 minus 10x. 90, 10 into 9 is 90. 10 into minus x is minus 10x plus x. Here nothing to multiply, so directly we can remove the bracket and simplify it. So 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27. Now 90 minus 10x plus x. Plus x means simply we have to take the coefficient as 1. Okay, if it is simply given as 1 x means the coefficient we have to take it as 1. So minus 10x plus 1x means it is minus 9x. 90 minus 9x. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9x, which is equal to, see, here two x terms are there. One is 10x, other one is minus x. So 10 minus 1x is 9x and 9 plus 27 is 36. Now group the variables and group the numbers. So I am going to shift minus 9x to other side. So 90 minus 36 plus 36 comes here, it is minus 36 is equal to 9 years. So the present ages are, the son is 5 years and his mother is 30 years. See the next problem. There is a narrow rectangular plot. The length and width of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. We know that rectangle, there is a length and width. Okay. So the length and width of the rectangular plot are given in the ratio 11:4. Okay. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, they are fencing the plot. Okay. They are fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. So the total fencing cost, okay, overall to fence the rectangular plot, the total cost is rupees 75,000. Yes. Find the dimensions. We have to find the dimensions. Dimensions is we have to find the value of length and breadth. So for length and breadth in the question itself they have given a hint. What is it? It is the ratio 11:4. If the two numbers are in the ratio numbers, we can split the numbers by multiplying some common variable to the two numbers. Isn't it? We saw the problems based on that. So we are going to multiply the variable x for these two numbers and we are going to separate the numbers as length and breadth. How we can do that? So the length is equal to 11x. Let the length of the rectangular plot be 11x and breadth of the rectangular plot be 4x. So we are splitting this ratio by multiplying the common variable x. So length as 11x and breadth as 4x. Now, the question what is, we are given content for costing per meter, it is rupees 100. So per meter it is rupees 100. So per meter it is rupees 100, but to cover the whole rectangular plot, the total amount to cover the whole rectangular plot, the total amount is equal to rupees 75,000. Now we have to find the length, original value of length and breadth of the rectangular plot. For that, fencing is how we will fence the perimeter. Okay, the border of the plots. Yes. So this is the area we are going to fence. That means we are going to fence the perimeter of the rectangular plot. Perimeter of the rectangular plot. If you know how much is the perimeter for the plot, we can find the dimensions of the plot. So how to find the perimeter of the rectangle? What is the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 times of length plus breadth. This will give you the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle into 2 into L plus breadth, that is length plus breadth. So 2 into, what is length here? 11x. X in general we have written as 11x and breadth as 4x. Okay. So see now 2 into 11 plus 4 it is 15x. What is 2 into 15? It is 30x. So the total perimeter of the rectangular plot. The total perimeter of the rectangular plot. What's the area we are going to fence? The total perimeter is 30x. Okay. So see, now we have to, the total cost is given as 75,000. But now we are having the perimeter in our hand. So we can calculate the total amount using this perimeter. Yes. So the total amount for fencing. What is the perimeter? 30x meter. 30x meter. But in the question it is given that cost of fencing per meter is rupees 100. So we are going to multiply with 30x into 100. Okay. So we will get the cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing. That is 3000x. Rupees 3000 into x. Now, this actually found using the general values of length and breadth. But in the question actually it is given that what is the total amount. So surely the total amount given in the question should be equal to the total amount what we have got now. Isn't it? So by equating this two total amounts, by question itself, given condition the question is the value of 75,000 is the total amount. But here I got the total amount as 3000 into x. Surely these two values should be equal according to the question. Now we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 75,000 by 3000. Simplify this. What is the value of x? X is equal to 25. What is the value of x? X is equal to 25. Now this is actually we have to do it. Okay. After x is equal to 25, we got it. What you are going to do is you are going to substitute the value of x is equal to 25 in length. What is length? 11 into x. So 11 into x plus you have to find the value of length by multiplying 11 and 25. Multiply and give a value. Also breadth means 4x. 4x means 4 the value of x is equal to 20. 40 by 2 is 20. What is x? Actually x is Ahmed's son's present age. So his son's present age equal to 20 years. And what about his father? His father present age is 3 into 20. Okay. So Ahmed is equal to 3 into 20, which is equal to 60 years. So the present age of the son is 20 years and the present age of the father is 60 years. Now we are going to solve the problems in exercise 2.5 based on the linear equation one variable only. But here we are having the variable in both sides of the equation. Okay, the variable lies on both sides of the equation, and we are going to solve the given equation and we are going to find the value of unknown variable in the question. First question, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here we have to find the value of x. See how we are going to group the variables to one side of the equation and the numbers to the other side of the equation. See how we are going to. So x by 2 minus x by 3. I am shifting this to the next side of the equation. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. See here, we know that two numbers and fractions, while adding or subtracting we have to take the LCM, then only have to add the numbers. So 2 and 3 we have to subtract, but here the denominators are different. For 2 and 3 the LCM is 6. So 3x minus 2x is equal to, again here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 you have to take the LCM for 4 and 5 is 20. So if you multiply that 5 plus 4. 3x minus 2x is x by 6, because 3 minus 2 is 1x, so x by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. X. Now I want only the value of x. 9 and 20 is not able to simplify, but I want only the value of x. So x is equal to 9 by 20. 6 here is under division. If it goes that side, it comes under multiplication. Now we are able to simplify this now. So 3 2s are 6 and 10 2s are 20. So finally we got, so 9 into 3 is 27 by 10. See, the variable are given in two sides of the equation. Group the variable to one side of the equation. Okay, if possible directly subtract, unless we can subtract multiply. If it is in the fraction, you have to take LCM and then solve the problem. Your aim is to find the value of the variable. So we got x is equal to 27 by 10. So the next problem, here we are using the variable n. So see, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So see, three variables, they are in fraction. So the denominators are different. So we have to take LCM, then only we can add the numerators or subtract the numerators. For 2, 4 and 6, what is the LCM? It is 12. So 12 is here, 6 2s are 12. So 6n minus 9n plus 10n. How? 6 2s are 12, so numerator should be multiplied by 6. 3 4s are 12, so 3 3s are 9. 2 6 are 12, so 5s are 10. So equal to 21. So subtract the numbers. 10 plus 6, 16n minus 9n by 12 is equal to 21. 16 minus 9n is 7n by 12 is equal to 21. But I want only the value of n. So n is equal to 21 into 12 by 7. If you take the number to the next side, 21 into 12 by 7. If you cancel this, 3. So the final value is 36. 12 into 3 is 36. Okay, so if it is in fraction, take LCM and go in the order to solve the problem. See the next problem. X and here three variables on both the sides of the equation. First we are going to group the variables to one side of the equation. So x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2. Minus 5x comes this side, it is plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 plus 7 is minus 7. We are taking this variable to next side of the number to next side of the equation. Now add the variables and subtract the variables. Consider here the denominator 1. Again we have to take the LCM, that is 6. 3 and 2, it is 6. So 6x minus 3 2s are 6. So 16x plus 5 3s are 3 2s are 6. So 15x is equal to 17 minus 6 7s are 42 by 6. Here also consider 1. So for 6 and 1 the LCM is 6. See, we are grouping all the variables. See, the denominators are different. So at a stage we are going to add all the 3 terms, going to take the LCM, then multiply the corresponding number with the numerators. Okay, now 6x, 16 plus 6, minus 16 plus 15, it is minus 1x by 6 is equal to, what is 17? 17 minus 42, that is minus 25 by 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So 5x is equal to minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25 by 5. So x is equal to minus 5. So we got the value of x is equal to minus 5. So see the question, according to the question, arrange the variables, group the variables. If you want to take the LCM, do the calculation carefully. You know the calculations already, how to subtract, how to multiply, or how to cancel the numbers. So do the calculations carefully, you can get the result of the variable. So here is a problem, okay, using the variable t. Here also the problem, we have to find the variable value. But the question is a little bit different, okay, don't worry about that. Okay, solve as it is, we know all the way to solve. Solve as it is in the way. See, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3. And here is a variable t. So group to one side of the equation. Minus means it is plus t is equal to 2 by 3. What we did in the first step, we have grouped all the variables to one side of the equation. So already two terms are here only, we are taking minus t to the one side of the equation. So plus t is equal to 2 by 3. Now we are going to solve this and we are going to find the value of t. How? Listen, here if we consider the denominator 1, for 4 and 3, what is the LCM? It is 12. 4 3s are 12. So multiply the first term by 3 because the denominator is 4. 3 4s are 12. So multiply the numerator by 3. So 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4. Second term, 4 3s are 12. So we are going to multiply the numerator by 4. 4 into 2t plus 3. What about the next term? Here the denominator is 1. So multiply by 12. 12t is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now listen. Multiply the numbers inside. 3 3s are 90 minus 3 2s are 6. Again minus 4 2s are 8 and minus 4 3s are 12 plus 12t. See, just we are multiplying the number inside the brackets and removing the brackets. So 3 3s are 90, 3 2s are minus 6. With minus 1, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 4 into minus 8t this. Minus 4 into 2t minus 8t and minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 12t by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Now listen, we have to take 19 minus 8 and 12. Isn't it? So 9 minus 18 plus 12. Totally we are getting 13t. How? See. 12 plus 9. It is plus 21t minus 8t. So we are getting 13t. Okay. So either first you can add the positive values and subtract it. And at the time if you know the calculation, we can calculate and put as 13t minus, what about the number? Minus 6 minus 12. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now see what we have to do. Take the numbers, isn't it? So 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 by 3 into 12 because 12 is here under division. If it goes left side, it is under multiplication. So cancel this 4. So what we got finally, 13t minus 18 is equal to 4 to 8. So 13t is equal to 18 plus 8. So 13t is equal to 26. 13t is equal to 26. So I am stopping here. We have to find the value of t. How to find the value of t? T is equal to 13 into t equal to 26. We have to find the value of t. How you can find? T is equal to 26 by 13. Okay. Divide and find the value of t here. Okay. Okay children. Now we have completed our exercise 2.4. Word problem. Okay. So word problem is given. We have formed the linear equation and we solve the problem. In exercise 2.5, the equation linear equation one variable, they have given the variable on both the sides of the equation with some different method. Okay, and we solve the problem. So based on this method, you will be getting your assignment problem. Okay, so read the question or see the question, how to solve. First thing, how to solve the question and solve your assignment problem clearly. Thank you, children.